Everyone thinks Meta's new AI photo tool is harmless, just a smart way to make your pictures look better. But what if it's actually training you to give up your privacy? I spent days studying how this feature works, and the truth is unsettling. We'll break down the strategy, consent trap, and risks. So let's get into it. Everyone thinks Meta just wants to make your photos look better, that this new AI feature suggesting edits is just a fun tool to save you time and make your camera roll look cleaner. But what if that is not the real goal? What if this is the next step in making you comfortable with handing over your private memories to a company that already knows almost everything about you? Because here is the truth. Meta's new AI can now suggest edits to photos that are not even uploaded to Facebook. They are on your phone, still private, still yours. And yet, Meta wants access to them, so its AI can help. You give permission, it scans your gallery, and suddenly, the line between your private life and Meta's servers becomes blurry. You might say that it is an optional feature, that Meta asks for your consent, and yes, technically it does. But think about how many times people click allow without reading what they are allowing. Every tap on yes is another inch you move toward normalizing total access. That is how data control shifts not through force but through convenience. The company says it will not use your photos for ads. It says it will not train its AI on them unless you post them. But then again, we have heard that before. Every major privacy scandal in tech started with the same reassuring words. And every time people learn that we do not use your data often comes with a silent except when we do. This is not about photos, this is about comfort. Meta wants you to get comfortable with the idea that an algorithm can look at your life, sort it, enhance it, and even decide what is worth remembering. Once that comfort sets in, resistance fades. You stop questioning how deep the access goes, and that is when real privacy ends, not with a hack but with a quiet agreement. Now think about what lives in your photo gallery. Screenshots of personal messages, private moments, sensitive photos that were never meant to leave your phone, family pictures, documents, even NSFW content. Meta's AI does not know the difference. It just sees pixels, patterns, and context. When you say yes to allow access for better suggestions, you are not saying yes to a few filters, you are saying yes to a system scanning through your memories. And sure, they promise cloud security and encryption. But once something leaves your phone, it is no longer truly yours. We have seen leaks, we have seen internal tools misused, we have seen employees access what they were not supposed to. So why do we keep trusting companies that have failed us before just because they wrap their new features in the language of creativity and innovation? Meta knows what it is doing. It is framing surveillance as assistance. It is turning data collection into a service. And it is betting on one simple thing that people would rather have convenience than control. You might think this is paranoia, that it is just photo editing. But remember how it started with just your contacts, just your location, just your browsing habits. Now your entire digital life is mapped, categorized, and stored somewhere you cannot even access. This is not about what you are giving today. It is about what will be taken tomorrow once you stop noticing. Meta is not asking to look at your photos, it is asking to redefine privacy itself. It is teaching you that nothing on your phone is too personal for a company to touch. It is shaping a world where AI knows you better than your own memory does. So when Meta says it wants to help you make your photos more beautiful, remember this beauty is never free. The real cost might be your comfort with being watched, because once you are okay with that, they do not need your permission anymore. You will have already given it.